Let's instantly boost your Galaxy phone's speed, battery life, and security. Open your device settings. Use the search and type Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down to App Protection. App Protection Scan detects malware, spyware, and suspicious background activities to keep your personal data secure. Now go back to the Device Care main page. Next, tap on Auto Optimization and then select Auto Restart. You can enable restart when needed or restart on schedule. Regular restarts will clear temporary memory, close stuck background apps, and prevent system sluggishness without manual effort. Go back to the Device Care main screen and look for Diagnostics. Tap on Phone Diagnostics and then hit Test All. Phone diagnostic testing pinpoints hardware and sensor issues like battery health, touch screen response, or speaker performance before they cause bigger problems. Use these built-in features to ensure that your Samsung device is operating fast and efficiently.